I'll throw washers in there too. You know, when's it time to say time to stop fixing and time to start replacing? It really, in our opinion, it kind of comes down to there's two functions, right? It's the total dollar of the repair. If you are 50% of a new way to a new machine, and you've got that machine is 10 plus years old, it's probably time to think about replacing it, because there might be other things that go wrong with it. When we see really expensive repairs, we try to give you, hey, here's the repair bill, here's a replacement quote, here's our recommendation. You know, we're not going to try to sell you a new machine when you don't want to buy one. But at the same time, I think we do our customer a disservice if we just said, here's your service bill, fixed it, and then a year later there's something else major goes wrong with it. You're gonna be mad at us. Well, why didn't you tell me, right? So it's a fine line of working in the customer's best interest as to let them have all the facts to make the decision that best fits their organization. And there's some of our customers that have hard, fast rules about that. If it's kind of like, 50% in 10 years, then they'll replace it. If it's if it's only a 7-year-old machine, fix it. No problem. But it really is kind of an age and cost that you got to kind of balance and make sure you kind of help lead the customer to get the information they need to make the best decision for themselves.